Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create Deepseek account. First of all, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and download the Deepseek application. After downloading the app, you can just simply open the app, and here you can see this type of interface. You can just simply log in with your email or password, or you can just simply tick this option to agree, or now you can tap on login. Or the other method is you can sign in with your Google account, or you can sign in with your Apple account. I can sign in with my Apple account, so now I can tap on this, and after this you can now tap on agree, and here you can now tap on sign in at the bottom middle of the screen. After adding the face ID, the account is created, and you can just simply write the command and send it to the Deepseek, and Deepseek will answer you. And this is the simple way to create account on Deepseek. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.